Hello, Ghost here once again, oh yes. I am tired as well, heck. Just in case you're unaware. I know. I've been saying I've been tired all the time. Pretty much every video I do with the voice, me talking to the camera and stuff. Seriously, what the fuck are they doing? Anyway. Bramble's definitely coming back with a vengeance. So fucking backward. Anyone see if you quit and what the fuck are they doing over there? Good and better. Anyway. These nature vlogs, there was something to do. I haven't really recorded anything for the normal vlog. Wish I knew what the name of these plants were, these flowers. Not these sticky buds. That's what we Brits call those. They people stick to your clothes and such. Yeah. I am tired as all fucking heck. Seriously. All this rubbish. Don't know if you can see the stuff in there. Ridiculous. Yeah. These videos will be the staple for now. Well, nature vlogs. Oh look, squirrel. I think. There he is. Quite late in the season. A bit too early in this. I think it has been warm enough for them to come out of hibernation. Yeah. You don't see many squirrels out this time of year. First time seeing one this year. So yeah. Anyway, I do have a bit of a cold. Bit of a cold, mind you. Bit of a cold. Yeah. Don't know if you saw that blackbird or whatever it was. That was over there. And that branch. Fallen branch. So yeah. Anyway. Just to say, I'm sort of grooving. Just about. Tired. Got cold. Sniffles. So ungroovy. Anyway, until next time. Whatever.